What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the Sofi stock. The time is now. Your patience has finally paid off. After 8 long, grueling months, we are about to enter a lower interest rate environment, potentially getting 2 rate cuts in the back half of 2025, fueling companies' growth for acceleration and multiple expansion. You can see it in the management team's voice, what they are getting prepared for. You saw them do the offering, take 1.7 billion off the top, and now they're going to put that capital to work, fueling more growth acceleration, more market share, more members, higher records. This is what you've been waiting for. You can see the management team is gearing up to break all of the bonus compensation package, which the highest level is $45, and I believe they're going to absolutely demolish that. Just look at where the stock is sitting right now. We just hit all-time highs trading under the ticker symbol SOFI, not the SPAC IPOE, and we have one more bit of resistance left at the $28-30 level, and once we break that, guys, clear skies are above. There's nothing stopping this stock from squeezing to $35, $40, $45 in the blink of an eye. Multiple expansion will happen when fundamentals start to pick up, but I'm telling you right now, this stock has been beat down for years by manipulation and short sellers just trying to manipulate the price. $2 stock prices, $4 stock prices, those guys are getting absolutely demolished. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing and what I'm planning to do in my strategy, which is allowing me to beat 99% of hedge funds and institutions on Wall Street. No one is seeing the type of returns that I'm seeing. If you guys look at my portfolio right now, you will be absolutely blown away. The returns don't even make sense. It looks like a computer glitch. And I will be showing you those returns in today's video and showing you exactly how I got those returns. And once again, we got a lot of new people coming to the channel. A lot of people are questioning, why do I only make videos about SoFi? SoFi is my highest conviction stock, but it's not the only stock I'm purchasing right now. If you want access to the other companies inside of my portfolio, I have 7 stocks that I just bought recently the past couple of weeks with my exact dollar cost average posted inside of my VIP Patreon group. It is listed in the description. It is listed in the comment section. It's listed on my Twitter. Join the Patreon group. You will not regret it. You're going to get access to all my buy alerts the second I buy them. Let's get into the video. And take a look at it, guys. A ton of people always have something to say about my posts, but they don't have anything to show like this. This is my portfolio's 1-year returns right here, guys. Take a look. 625%. If you want to go inside of the market and go buy an index and get your 20% returns, go ahead and do it. But if you want to absolutely demolish the S&P 500, you need to get inside of the VIP Patreon group because we are making other moves outside of SoFi, which is allowing us to get these massive returns and diversifying the portfolio out faster and faster and faster. And guys, I've been doing this for a long time now. I've been buying options for the last 6 years now, and I don't even gamble with short-term options anymore. Weeklies, monthlies, 3 months out, I just don't do it no more because you're gonna lose with all the volatility and macro uncertainty inside of the market. Now take a look at these options. We just posted these. I just sold half of my $25 leaps for a 374% return. You can see we were purchasing these at $1.22 and we're selling them in the market at $5.80. This is the type of returns you can get when you buy the dip opportunities. $54,000 profit. But take a look at this, guys. I forgot we were buying these as well. We got the $15 calls up a blistering 426%. Congrats to the VIP Patreon group once again. Price paid $2.21. I said we might be dumping these for $15 a pop. These are already trading at $11.66. We're getting a 426% return on these leaps, a $30,000 profit off a $7,000 investment. Absolutely insane. This is the power of options. And for those of you that are waiting to get inside of a SoFi options trade, I posted 2 separate leap options. These are the exact same type of leaps that I'm purchasing with that margin of safety. And you can get those inside of the VIP Patreon group right now, along with the 7 other stock picks. And I'm also going to be purchasing 2 other stocks over the next 2 weeks that I already have on my watch list. So the value you're going to get inside of this VIP Patreon group is going to allow you to beat 99% of these hedge funds and institutions on Wall Street. Who's putting up 600% return returns in a year. No one, no institution. It's physically not possible because they don't have the risk tolerance that I have and the due diligence that I do to make these heavy investments in a company like SoFi and then diversify out into 7 other phenomenal companies. This is what we're doing. Join the Patreon group. You will not regret it. Now take a look at my boy Cantonese Cat. I've been following this dude for a while. You can see we broke above that 22.76 resistance, and then of course we got a little bit of resistance right here at that $25 level that's been bothering us for a while. But this 28.26 is the big level once again that I believe we could potentially break this week or next week. That's why if you're trying to get into some leap options at the last second, this may be the time to do it before we launch over this all-time high of 28.26 and break into the $30, $35, $40 range. You don't want to be buying up there. It's way too risky. And I believe we have the catalyst in the short term to bust over this $28.26 level. And here's the big catalyst we got this week, the MSCI index, effective at the close of market August 27th. Guys, this is a big world index. This index is going to have millions of SoFi shares being purchased up and other indexes tracking this big index. So guys, this is a massive catalyst coming this week. I think it's going to be a big push over $28 all-time highs. This is the company to be buying right now. Look at the numbers on SoFi. This is last quarter. These upcoming numbers are going to be fairy tale book numbers. 30% chance I believe SoFi does $1 billion in revenue in Q3. Remember everybody hyping up, Palantir and Robinhood doing $1 billion, but when we do $1 billion, we're going to really pump it so everyone knows. Look at this, guys. 44% growth. Net income up 458%, EPS up 700%, net profit margin up 288%. And the management team has just said everything is just beginning. We are just getting started. We haven't even launched crypto. We haven't got the interest rate cuts. Everything is about to come together all at once. Q3 and Q4 are the monster quarters, and that is why, I'm in leap options. I'm diversifying those profits into other stocks. Guys, this is the time to have massive, massive returns to smoke the S&P 500 for the next 10 years out. And these are the type of metrics that get me more bullish when I do comparison inside of the financial services sector. Price to sales. Robinhood is trading at 24x right now. Hey, some could say they, deserve it. I personally believe they're riding a massive, massive crypto wave to get those type of numbers right now. Not even being able to get back to $1 billion in revenue 6 months in. Once we clear $1 billion in revenue, we're never going back, guys. It's going to be 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 billion. We're moving up for here. We're more diversified business. Blue Owl, 10x sales. Coinbase, 10 times sales. SoFi, 9 times sales. Affirm, 8 times sales. We're literally trading at the same valuation as Affirm, and they're barely showing any profits to the bottom line. You're seeing growth go backwards quarter over quarter. Nubank, 8 times. Upstart, we finally surpassed them. We're way more diversified. These guys do $1 billion in revenue. We do $1 billion in marketing expenses. It's not even close, guys. Chime is 5 times sales. We knew this company was overvalued once we took a look at the numbers. I believe SoFi will jump to 15 times sales by the time, the year ends or the beginning of next year. I believe this is going to happen once they clear $1 billion in quarterly revenue with a 40% growth rate and expanding margins. My price target is still $40, but take a look at what happens if we do get to that 15 times sales. SoFi will be trading at $48 stock price. I added a couple zeros on here, so the market cap is, a little bit high, but understand it's still $48 when you talk about 1.25 billion outstanding shares. $48 on 15 times sales. That is still a dramatic discount from Robinhood's 24 times sales, and I believe we're executing way better than Affirm and Upstart right here. So guys, 9 times sales, I believe it's not justified right now, and I believe we're going higher from here. And guys, you need to realize there was a point where Palantir was trading at 10 times sales for a period of time when the stock was like $7. And look what happened. The multiple expansion went from 10 times sales to 94 times sales. And you're telling me SoFi can't go from 9 times sales to 15, 20 times sales? I believe it's going to happen. It is justified with the growth in the expanded margins, the financial services growth in the 80 to 100% range, the loan platform business expanding their credit box. This is what we've been waiting for, guys. Galileo Tech platform is about to accelerate inside of 2026 with 10 new deals closed. I believe this multiple will come up to a 20 times inside of 2026, and that's going to give you about a $90 stock price. Once again, guys, we got more catalysts coming our way. Goldman Sachs Global Investment Research makes list of 15 companies eligible for S&P 500. 8 out of the 15 companies are financial companies. This is more bullish for SoFi. You can see we're right here, SoFi, and then of course Robinhood, AppLovin. I believe we have a high probability of getting into the S&P 500 500 inside of the back half of 2025 or early 2026. You can see we got 178,000 views, guys. I'm doing my part. I'm getting the word out for SoFi. You need to do your part. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I can. And once again, guys, you need to sign up for the VIP Patreon group. The value you're going to get inside of the VIP Patreon group, you're not going to find anywhere else. We're literally destroying 99% of hedge funds and institutions inside of the stock market. You literally saw the return 600% on the year. That is literally screenshotted from my phone right now, Sunday night. That is accurate, guys. I put this 625% return on everything, my life. This is accurate, guys. This is the facts. This is actually happening inside of the market. This is what we're doing. This isn't just a short-term options trade. This is the entire portfolio with all of my stock, all of my options, everything, guys. This is what we're doing inside of the VIP Patreon group. You need to get in. I'm going to give you 7 stocks that I'm buying now. 2 leap options trade if you're trying to get on SoFi and you think we're going to break all-time highs in the short term. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. We're going to continue to keep you updated with all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. We'll be keeping you updated daily. And I'm telling you guys right now, the party is just beginning. We are going to destroy all these bears and short sellers that tried to mess with this stock the past couple of years. We're going to take everything from them. Sign up for the VIP Patreon group, and I'm going to show you how we smoke 99% of hedge funds and institutions out there. Hope you guys have a great day.